Well, the customer is the most important factor in this equation, and it gave me a great pleasure yesterday to see the escalator open and the customer using it for the first time. The customers can see into the retail spaces a lot better. There's great navigation signage at every level. There's great branding with digital screens. So the customer experience is fantastic, and it offers them the retail behind in a much more comprehensive way. Well, the inspiration for this escalator goes back to its origins in the 1930s, and it was designed in the Art Deco style of architecture. And the exciting part about it was some of those original features are still remaining, like the screen above the entrance, the chandeliers, the wall lights. So we restored all those 1930s features, brought them back to life again, and we used those as reference points for the new escalator. So it all comes together as a beautiful composition, bringing together the traditional Harrods DNA architecture with modern, forward-looking technology. The process of building this project was very complicated because we only had 40 weeks to do the job. We had to start building in February this year. We had to have it complete by the end of October. We had to keep circulation at every level across the escalator void. We had to put in 28 new pile foundations, which were driven 28 metres into the ground. We brought in 25 tonnes of new steel frame into the building. So we made the building a lot more open to allow transparency and views through the building. So the structural works took most of the first part of the job, and that was critical to the whole programme. So very, very careful planning and coordination of the activities was key on this project. Now, this is the largest department store in Europe, and the largest department store in Europe needs a grand entrance. And this is a spectacular grand entrance, worthy of a store of our stature. We're the best department store in the world, and now we have the best grand entrance in the world.